Please support us for your health and don't forget to like and comment at the end of the video. Natural recipe to get rid of salts. Drink more water. Drinking enough water is essential to flush out excess salts. In addition to eating water-rich foods such as fruits and vegetables, it is advisable to drink water regularly throughout the day. Increase your potassium intake. Potassium helps with fluid balance. It is best to eat potassium-rich foods such as potatoes, avocados, and bananas. Women are recommended to take 2,600 milligrams a day, and men 3,400 milligrams. Be physically active. Physical activity helps remove excess sodium from the body. Water and salt are lost when exercising, so it is important to drink water regularly during exercise. Minimize salt in food. Try to minimize the addition of salt when cooking or eating food. Use herbs and spices to add flavor without increasing the sodium content. It is also a good idea to limit the consumption of processed and canned foods. Cook at home, cook more at home, and choose low-sodium versions of your favorite foods. Listen to your body and drink plenty of water when thirsty. If you have health problems, consult your doctor before making major dietary changes. With these strategies, you can optimize your body's health and get rid of excess salt naturally. Please support me for your health and stay healthy.